Hello friends, this is Sagar Joshi. Today I'm gonna talk something about different types of joins in SQL. So there are 5 different types of joins in SQL. Inner join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join and cross join. So I'll be running queries for all these joins. So over here we have taken two tables, that is TBL employee 1 and TBL employee salary. Let's run this query. So for both these tables you can see few values have been inserted, and the column names for the first table are employee ID, employee name, department, and for the second table, which is TBL employee salary, the column names are employee ID and salary. So the common column name for both these tables is emp ID. So as you can see, this is a common um, column name for both these tables. So first we'll run a query for inner join. So this is the first query. I'll run two queries for inner join. So this is the first query. It says that select star from TBL employee 1. This is the first table name. E1. E1 is the alias used for the first table. It is just a specified name. Inner join TBL employee salary E2. E2 is the alias for used for TBL employee salary. On E1, which is the table 1 dot emp id equals to E2, which is the table 2 dot emp id. Emp id is the common column name. We are using this column name to link both these tables. So why inner join is used? If you want the output to be the matching values or the common values from both these tables, we'll use inner join. So we'll just run this query. I'll just run it with the tables also. So as you can see, only the common values from both these tables have been displayed. So over here from both these tables, we'll check out the emp id. Which of the emp ids are common from both these tables? It's 1 and it's 3. So 1 and 3, and rest all corresponding values to emp id 1 and 3 have been displayed from both these tables. So in this query you can see emp id has been displayed twice because it has taken the emp id from both these tables, from table 1 as well as table 2. So to remove one column, to remove one emp id column, so we'll use another query for it. This is the query. I'll run this query. So it will take the emp id from the first table, as we have used E1 alias over here, and rest all are the column names which you want to display. So I'll comment this. I'll run this query. So as you can see, there's only one emp id. We are getting it as the output, and rest all corresponding values have been displayed. So this is all about inner join. Let's see left outer join. We'll run a query for left outer join. So what does left outer join means? Why we use it? So there are, as you can see, there are two tables, table 1 and table 2. If you want the output to be displayed, if you want to display all the values from the left table, that is the table 1, and only the matching values from the table 2. So that's why we use left outer join. So I'll just comment the inner join query. I'll run this query. So as you can see, all the values, this is the first table, all the values have been displayed over here in the output table, and only the corresponding matching values have been displayed from the right table, which is 35,000 and the 30,000. So emp ID 2 and 4 is not present in the table 2. So that's why, corresponding to that, the salary, the output has been null for 2 as well as 4. So this is what left auto join means. It will display all the values from the left table, and it will display only the matching values from the right table, and the unmatched values will be displayed as null. I'll just comment this query. So let's see, what does right outer join mean. I'll just run this query for right outer join. This is a query for right outer join. So over here, it's the query almost remains the same. It's just we are using the right outer join name for this. So right outer join means, if you want to display all the values from the right table, which is the second table, and you want to display the values, only the matched values from the right, only the matched values. That's why we use right outer join. So we'll just run this query. So here it is. From the right table, all the values have been displayed, which is emp ID 135. Over here, this is the output table, emp ID 135. Salary, all the salary have been displayed. This is the salary column. And the corresponding values to this particular emp ID has been displayed. That is Sagar Finance, Rajan Marketing. Over here, emp ID 5, from the right table, 5 and 40,000, it has been displayed for both these emp ID column and salary column. But corresponding to that, there are no values from the left table. From this left table, there are no values corresponding to emp ID 5. That's why it has been displayed as null. So this is what right outer join mean. We'll just comment it out. So let's see what is full outer join. So the query remains the same, almost the same. We're just using this full outer join over here. So we'll just run this query for full outer join. So what does full outer join means? If you want the output to be all the values from the left table as well as the right table, from the table 1 as well as table 2, we use full outer join. So in this query, it says that e2.empid. So we have just used the alias for the second table, which is e2.empid. So the empid from the second table will only be displayed. As you can see in this second table, the empid is 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5 have been displayed, and rest all has been displayed as null. And the rest query remains the same. We have just added this full outer join to join both these tables. So in this full outer join, all the values from both these tables, that is the table 1 and table 2, have been displayed over here. All the corresponding values have been displayed, and the values which are not matched have been displayed as null. Over here you can see the salary column has been displayed as null, this has been displayed as null, the corresponding values for emp id 5 have been displayed as null. As you can see in this table 1, there is no emp id as 5, so that's why its emp corresponding values for emp id 5 has been displayed as null. So this is what full outer join means. Just comment this out. So let's see what does cross join is. We've just added this one of the most simplest queries. We have just added this cross join. We'll just run this query. So as you can see, each and every row from the first column will be linked with each and every row from table 2. So in this output table you can see this is the first table values. Okay, so it has been linked with each and every value from the first row of the second table. Then this is second time this values has been displayed from the first table. It has been linked with the row of this second table. This is the second row from the second table, and this values from the first table has been displayed thrice. It has been linked with the row of the which is this one. So this is what cross join means. So this is all about different types of joins in SQL. Thanks for watching this video. For .NET related interview questions, tutorials and videos, you can visit our site .netinterviews.com. You can also subscribe us on our YouTube channel for more videos. The name of our YouTube channel is .NET Interviews. Thank you.